Looking for the best spin scrubbers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 spin scrubbers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Rubbermaid Power Scrubber with All-Purpose Grout Head. Small scrubber offers impressive performance when it comes to removing dirt and grime from cracks, crevices, and small spaces. Great for cleaning grout. Affordable price. Consider this spin scrubber if you need an affordable model that's simple to use for minor cleaning chores and tight spaces. Not designed for large jobs. Not rechargeable. Works with various brush attachments, but they must be purchased separately. At number 2. Dremel Versa Cleaning Tool. Powerful motor allows this tool to remove tough dirt and stains. Has 4 pads with different textures to meet multiple cleaning needs. Scrubber fits nicely in the hand and is easy to use. A powerful spin scrubber that works for many household cleaning needs but is slowed down by a few frustrating issues that limit its usefulness. Scrubbing pads are on the small side. Battery life per charge is fairly short. Unit is prone to overheating. At number 1. BLACK+DECKER GRIMEBUSTER Pro Power Scrubber Brush. Powered by a lithium-ion battery that gets decent runtime per charge. Slim handle is easy to grip. Can be used for multiple purposes around the house, including kitchen cleanup. Versatility and an affordable price make this model a good choice for light to moderate cleaning applications. A few reports of faulty scrubbers that seem to have slow rotation or quit working after several months of typical use. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.